this video, I'm sharing my 2021 Happy Planner lineup. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. There are 5 planners. I'm using 4 planners for myself and 1 inspiration planner for the Planner channel for you and I to have a whole planner of inspiration. We're going to build it this year as our project on the Planner channel. It's going to be so much fun. So let me first share the planners that I'm going to be using personally. This is the Teresa Collins 2021 Classic Size Vertical Happy Planner. It has 9 discs. It's a vertical layout, and I'm going to share just quickly how I'll be using it. I like to use this front section in the planner to track my exercise. Hopefully I will actually do some exercise this year. That will go in the front section. I don't use the currently played pages in any of my planners, but please feel free. This is a great place to use for any purpose you want. That is like a free space. It's like that free space in Monopoly. There it is. You can do whatever you want with that page. Okay, so in the monthly overview, this is where I plan ahead for the month. So this is where I'm tracking vacations, time off, work schedules, major appointments, any kind of travel, although there hasn't been a lot of travel lately. But let's say there's going to be some travel in 2021. It will go here. This is my plan ahead for each month. You can use the monthly section 2 different ways: planning ahead or tracking. I think it's important that you just make a decision how you're using that space in your planner. Next up is the weekly. This is where I plan my week, my work schedule, all my tasks, things to do, and I put notes in here as well. It's kind of like a memory keeping, and I decorate a lot. I use tons of stickers because I like it. It makes me happy and it makes me use my planner. If you're looking for planner inspiration and ways for you to stay committed to your planner, there is a whole huge collaboration from December with a ton of planner babes and videos and tips. I will have that linked in the description box if you're looking for some inspiration to stay committed to your planning in 2021. So this weekly overview is where I'll be planning my week ahead and writing in notes. I use the Power Plan system. You can get that for free by clicking the link in the description box and signing up for my newsletter. I will send you the Power Plan checklist, which is the system I use for planning and decorating. Okay, I have a divider tab in here so that I can put in a half sheet paper and easily write on that to put in my to-do list for the week. That is part of the Power Plan system. You will see that in, actually there's a video I will link up here so you can see how to do that. All right, so that is how I'm using this planner. I always put extra paper in the back, so I have another tab in the back with some blank lined paper because I like to write a lot. That's also the reason why I have it in a snap-in cover, because it's super easy. I'll show you just like this, to just flip to your note paper, grab a pen, and write in your planner. I always write a lot of notes, so I always have extra paper. All right, that is my main planner. Next up is the Preppy 2020-2021 18-month Classic Size Happy Planner. This one is an hourly layout. I will just show you that layout super quickly so you can see. It has the hours on Monday and Thursday in the planner. This is a great layout if you need a work planner and you have appointments and things at specific times. I'm going to be using this for wellness. I've been dealing with some health issues recently, and I need to be able to track my food, medications, exercise, all of those health kind of wellness things. So this planner will be dedicated just to health, wellness, fitness, and this is how I'm using it. Let me flip over here. I like to put a bookmark in all of my planners because it's easy to flip right to where you need to go and write your notes to save time. So I always have lots of bookmarks in my planners. I accidentally wrote the first Friday's notes of food on the 4th, so I'll have to switch it out, which is why I have white tape in my planner bag. So I can just erase that and then write over it, or I can add stickers. I don't worry about it when I make a mistake. If you're new and you're worried, don't worry, there are solutions. You can use the white tape. You can add a sticker on top of it. You can add paper on top of it, sticky notes on top of it, all kinds of solutions. Don't worry about it. Actually, I have another video where I messed up the entire week. I wrote on the wrong week and then I redid it with stickers, and I'll link that up in the cards. So if you're worried about messing up your planner, you can kind of see what happens if you mess up an entire week. It doesn't matter, don't worry about it. So this is how I'm tracking. So I have my food, like what I ate, some little cute food stickers in here that I can track on the hourly section. And then I took all my vitamins that day. So I took them all, I guess with lunch, it looks like. And then this top square I'll be using for tracking workouts, fitness. And so whichever kind of exercise you're doing, you can track it here. I love to use those squares, like the little workout sticker squares, to put those in there and then write in my workout. I haven't been exercising lately. I have to start back. It's an important part. So this wellness is an important thing for me this year, and I'm going to be focusing on that. So that's why it has a dedicated planner. So that is the wellness planner. Next up, this is one of the Disney Princess planners for 2021. It's a classic size happy planner. This is a color block layout. The color block layout has these colored boxes. There are two different ones that can be in color block. There's a student layout, which has an extra square. So this one has 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The student layout has 7 boxes. So there's plenty of room for classes if you have 7 or so classes, hopefully. There's so many different school programs now. It could be anything. But this color block layout has the same matching. So like 3 boxes that match your box stickers here, or you can use these individually for different topics. I will be using this planner for the planner channel for tracking my videos and planning my videos, and the planner school for working on teaching planning classes. So I'll just show you how I'll be using this planner. I don't have a purpose yet for this front section, but it could be for tracking posts, different social media posts. So like Instagram could go there, YouTube could go there, all kind of things. I mean, it's endless. You just have to make a decision how you're using that section. The month, I usually use sticky notes, and I plan out where I'm going to be, when I'm going to be posting videos, and when I need to film videos. So those are on sticky notes because they move around sometimes and I can't always get all the editing done and those kind of things. So those go on sticky notes, and this is like my plan ahead videos. And then once things are posted, I put a sticker and write in which video was posted on which date so I can track my progress. During the weeks will be every task that I do for the planner channel and the planner school. So any kind of things I purchase, or planning out videos, or doing emails, or working on website, or all of those kind of things will go in here. So this is like my work planner. I have a bookmark in here. Again, I love bookmarks. That's my number one. If I could only have one accessory, it would be a bookmark. It would be lots of bookmarks. So that's my favorite, bookmarks. So that's how I'll be using the weekly in this planner. I also have tabs. After each of the months, we'll have 6, and then I'll switch them to the next 6 when we finish these, so that I have a section behind each monthly calendar for putting in my videos. So this is all about my work and videos. So each video gets its own page, and I can put in all my notes of all the things I need to film and do for each video. So I love that. These tabs and this paper came from the Disney Wellness Journal box set. So that's how this planner will be used. Let's flip through just real quick to see, because it's so cute. So that's one of the tabs. And then the dividers have the princesses and different designs on them. This is a tab from the journal. This is a tab from the planner. Merida, this one has Pocahontas, Merida. Ooh, let me show you the inside. Different weeks, but I'll be decorating this planner with all the Disney princesses. There's one of the tabs from the journal. This is a tab from the planner. So there are 3 different color layouts. The Rapunzel one has this pretty orchid pinkish purple color. And let's look at Merida. Merida has this like grayish green with like a dark gold accent. And Pocahontas has this like periwinkle kind of bluish purple boxes with like a teal accent color. Really pretty colors. I can't wait to get in here and decorate this planner. Next up is the 2021 Big Happy Planner Love Letters Calligraphy Planner. I've already switched out the discs and the cover on this one, actually on all of them. This one I will be practicing my hand lettering. I've already started doing that there. And this will be a combination of hand lettering practice and my gratitude journal. So that way I have a topic for my actual hand lettering practice instead of just letters. I'll be lettering in, it's a two-step process. I will share it in a Plan With Me video. This is one of my new favorite things. I've been enjoying trying this out in my other horizontal in November and December. And what I do is I put in a sticker each day that represents my favorite thing that I'm grateful for that day. And then I journal about that one thing. So it's like a gratitude journal. I put in a sticker to represent it. But in this planner, it will be also lettering practice. So I'll be using my Tombow dual brush pens to practice lettering, which I've already started here and there in some of the little spots, like in the front there. And that's going to be a super fun project. I cannot wait to get into that. Let's flip through this planner just a little bit so you can see the different colors. So it has like a section of teal, a section of this orchid color. Look, I've already started practicing on that one too. I tried to not fill in the dates, but I've filled in a few other spots. Oh look, I did here too. Then this is like a pinkish coral color. And then this color is like a peach, like an apricot peach. Apricot peach. So those are the 4 color themes. You can either get matching pens or markers, or you can use any color you want, or just black. I like colors, so I'll be putting all kind of different colors in this planner. I probably will not use the front section. I may or may not use this section, which is like a calendar, the calendar month overview, but I will absolutely be practicing the hand lettering and gratitude journaling in this planner. Can't wait. Next up is the Inspiration Planner. I started to build one of these last year in 2020, but then 2020 happened and none of it got done. I think I did 2 spreads in the Inspiration Planner. So this year's Inspiration Planner is a Franken planner. It is 4 planners in one. It's the Minnie Mouse Color Block Planner, the Wild Styled Vertical Planner, the New Day Dashboard Planner, and the Be Your Own Beautiful Horizontal Planner. And so we have 3 months from each of those 4 planners in this Minnie Mouse planner. So I'm going to flip through that really quick so you can see. And then the purpose of the Inspiration Planner is for us to have an entire year's worth of a planner with all different color spreads and different kind of layouts and different purposes every week. So we're going to go through like 52 different ways, or maybe more, to use your planner. I have a few little goodies in the front. I have an envelope and a folder, and then we have our Minnie Mouse planner. Maybe we'll write in, now this one would be good if you have a different theme each week, which we're going to, we can write that in here so that we can use this kind of like our table of contents. So we'll be able to kind of see, okay, this week we did like a summer vacation week, and this week we did a holiday planning week. So we can kind of look and see which theme is each. That'll be super fun. So that's another way you can use that section in your planner. Okay, I don't know what we'll be doing with monthlies. They may also be specific themes as well if we have enough time this year to add in a monthly each month as well. I cannot wait to do this. This is going to be so much fun to do along with you. So this will be our Inspiration Planner. The first month, January, is Minnie Mouse. February is our Wild Styled Vertical Planner, and I have the matching bookmark for that one. March is our Dashboard Planner, and all 3 of these are neutral. Our Minnie Mouse, of course, is colorful with like a primary colors. So that will give us some color inspiration in the Minnie Mouse one, and all of these neutral planners are perfect because we will not be restricted by colors to do whatever we want. So here's a dashboard layout, which I know a lot of you will be using a dashboard planner in 2021 and need some ideas of how to use it. It is great for some specific purposes, and so we will do that in our videos. Okay, then April is the horizontal. I've been loving using the horizontal as a journal, so we can talk about journaling prompts, gratitude, faith journaling, so many things. So we'll talk about some of the different ways you can use the horizontal planner, and we're going to try it out in this planner. This one's also neutral, but it has like a really pretty little pink color splash right there in the middle. I love that. So we're back to Minnie Mouse in May. June is Wild Styled. July is New Day Dashboard. August is our horizontal planner. Minnie Mouse Color Block, Wild Styled for October. new day dashboard for November, and horizontal for December. I also have another dashboard here and some extra grid paper in the back that we can use for special projects. So this will be our inspiration planner for 2021. I can't wait to build this and decorate in it with you. Leave a comment and tell me which planner you are most excited about using in 2021 in your planner lineup. All of the details about the products used in this video are in the description box, along with a link to get your free Power Plan checklist, which is the planning system that I use for decorating and planning in the Happy Planner. So you can go get that and plan along with me. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!